hated my Uber driver today when he delivered my Del Taco.
Fucking.
Hold on, I gotta mute that guy real quick.
Oh God.
Okay. Ah, dude, I don't even know what items to buy.
Do whatever your heart thinks.
Buy the
Desires.
6 items. Did you actually tip bait somebody today, Choppo?
No.
Okay.
For me,
Oh my
it's more of like if it
I
has literally
should have
ever
though.
happened, then yeah, you're done.
It should have though, man. They fucking picked up my food and then picked up somebody else's food, delivered their food first, and I was
I
like,
didn't
let
touch
them.
by my items.
Oh, it's a 20% tip.
Oh my god.
I should have, dude. It was fucking bullshit. My price was fucking gold.
Oh my god.
Alright, there's a lot on the line for this one.
Prepare for
Your
battle.
microwave has to win this match.
Oh, don't worry, Chop. I got
There's a
you.
lot of honor on the line.
I'd say so.
Is my W like a toggle move?
It's a passive.
Okay.
Seconds to battle. Now the battle begins. Jax has been waiting all day for this.
There's one block that is clearly better than the other.
Yeah, I'm pretty sick at blocking. Especially on the dire side.
Perfect block.
Some unconventional item builds this game.
Yeah, it's a little strange. Maybe they know something we don't.
I say.
I don't. I literally just bought random shit.
Pretty decent item build.
The CS is very close.
Yeah, yeah.
Denied.
How are we feeling about this one?
Pretty easy match so far.
I like it.
Gotta stay vibing.
Chris, I think you should dedicate this future win to the furries.
I'm not dedicating anything to the furries.
Or what about Uber drivers?
I'll dedicate it to Uber drivers and all the
Yeah.
wages they should have had that have been robbed.
Yeah, I
From them?
agree. Dedicate the win to that.
So this match is kind of Uber drivers versus furries when you think about it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure, for sure.
There can only be one champion.
I mean, if we're thinking about it, worst case scenario, it's a draw.
I don't think that can happen.
Oh, dude, there has to be a draw somehow. It has to be in the rule books.
I physically don't think there can be.
Dude, what about the Chiller Championships? There's not a rule on it.
No, it's not draw rule. It's always best of 3 or best of 5.
Oh my god.
See the first plague ward of the game. The second. We're gonna see a third. Oh my god. A reminder, a win can be 2 kills or 1 tower. Do anything within the game to achieve that win.
Literally have no idea what those venom words were attacking. Oh, this was such a cheesy pick. Jesus Christ.
Gotta cheese him to please him.
Oops.
Oh no.
That's
Oh,
the hotkey
no.
in League. That is not the hotkey in this game.
It's the Battle of the Wards.
Yeah. I don't really know what to do, so that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, understandable.
Pretty sick strat.
It's the most even CS we've seen this late in the game, I think.
Yeah. Literally even.
Regeneration. Stop it.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? I took a lot of damage and didn't even notice.
It's a pretty sicko mode move.
I don't even know how to make the shop disappear.
You just click the shop again.
It's so dumb.
Yo, so sub.
Yes, Chapo.
You know what's the best thing about More Online?
What's that?
You like people are like, it like the game's like glitched to where you can hear people talking, but you can't like see them.
Yeah, on other instances, you can just insult people and they have no idea who it is.
Yeah, and people are just insulting each other right now. It's really good.
Can you just make your wards like auto attack a person?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
somebody
box
walks up
select
to it?
them.
Yeah, I
Or
go
are
to
you
AFK
actually
all the
just
time, so I have to
reacting?
join the queue.
Nothing good
You
happens
can
to
box
radiance
select
middle
them and
power.
make
I know
them,
you can box select them, but what I'm wondering is like, are you like when I attacked out of vision, your ward just insta turned and hit me? Was that you or is that like a thing?
I'm like selecting them and making them auto attack you, but they will just do that also if there's like nothing else to attack.
What's the hotkey for the shop?
I think
I
it's
don't know.
F1 or F4 by default.
This is gonna be our longest game, probably.
Yeah, this is so dumb.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting you to like actually make it this far.
Hope you have room on your hard drive wall.
I'm deleting stuff at the moment, actually.
I was gonna say you might want to do that.
Hard drive's just going to become the Chiller Championship hard drive, nothing else.
Are you still saving it as MP4 wall?
If I don't have to render it, I save it as NKV.
Is there like a draw?
Okay. No.
Like if shit takes too long?
No, it's, the mode only ends, like the game literally ends when there's either 2 kills or 1 tower.
Because I'm seeing an issue.
Yeah, it's still, someone needs to push it. I mean, when you both get strong enough, like, a kill will be inevitable, but...
Look in the quick buys.
It's a war of attrition.
Oh, shit. Yeah, this game will end eventually, just it's just a matter of time.
Oh yeah, this has become an issue.
Yeah, dude, like, as soon as you
Yeah,
started putting wards, I was like, wait. I was like,
I
I'll
think
do that too.
Yeah, he planned to take you out with him, I think, and he didn't
Well, yeah,
expect you
'cause
to
he's
fight back.
fucking dumb, and he didn't do anything with it when like I had no wards up, and he just let me slow crawl wards into him.
Yeah, he could have
And
pushed
here
the
we
tower.
are. Yeah, like my tower took almost no damage. Like, fucking ridiculous. And now we're just doing this, I guess.
We're playing StarCraft now.
There are runes in the video game.
Bro, that is so far above my pay grade, it's actually insane.
Double damage.
Oh man, he's so tricky.
It's a gank from the side.
Giving me free money.
No. He's not gonna approach.
Why would I, dude? There's warrants. Well, I'm not gonna walk through it.
I might have to split this one to a part 1 and a part 2.
Yeah, this is gonna be a top moments for sure. The stalemate.
Dude, I thought our fucking round was long. Holy shit.
Oh, nice cock.
Okay, I got
Oh,
47
dude,
gigs left.
nice
Good.
cock.
Kestrel left.
Oh no, I lost Sosa?
Yeah, dude, he's just over it.
No, dude, I think he's about it.
Open back.
Literally no mechanics at play right now.
Someone's gonna die eventually.
You keep saying that.
It is a fact, like. It looks like both people are building towards an item that'll end it.
Yeah.
I don't. Oh, this fucking little idiot is actually not close enough.
And someone not be pussy and starts walking forward.
I hope you guys enjoyed the excitement of he tried to move some wards up, and that ended real fast.
Now
game
you're
of
moving
inches.
towards up.
Yeah, wards trying to push wards that are already on high ground. Works out.
Ooh.
Working real well.
Just get Octarine and then you can play some more wards.
I don't know what that is.
It's an item.
No way.
Yeah.
Alright, mid-game interview, Free Microwave, how you feeling about this one?
I was going exactly how I want it to. We're
Sounds
slowly
like
breaking down their
not
mental.
true.
Slowly breaking down the mental.
I mean, he's kind of right because I might just forfeit. This is dumb. I don't want to do this.
Oh, but then you lose the honor of the argument.
Okay.
Furries will lose the day.
You know, we're at a
Okay.
stalemate now, but you know, we're making it work. I think eventually there's a certain camp that will pull ahead here.
Yeah, because you're farming jungle creeps, I think.
Does Radiance affect wards?
No.
I didn't think so.
Ooh, we see a deviation in strategy. Well, that's a tournament first.
True. When do those start spawning?
go. I deserve this.
Oh my goodness.
Well, have we seen a change in build?
He does a little trolling with the quick buy. Anyone else got into talents before?
Yeah, I've gone to level 10 before, but
Level
never like
15.
this.
Oh,
It's a Venomancer enhancer.
Oh, no, I do lose. I don't know why he can spawn them so fast.
That's the arcane rune.
Oh, so this is not a permanent thing.
No, it's not.
I just have to hold that.
Oh no. He's got too much of a build up there.
Back to
That's
still.
literally because you're dumb. Like, you were putting yours up there and had more, and so I just started putting mine a little bit farther back, so it was like 1v2s. And all of a sudden your arcane rune is gone, because you're the most annoying man alive.
Yeah, I'm pretty sick.
Oh yeah, they're immune to magic. What am I doing? I see you have one pretending to be one of mine. I honestly didn't notice it, but it was attacking the same direction as all mine, so I was like, oh, okay.
That's one of yours.
And I was like, wait a minute, that health bar is a different color.
well, someone has quite a lot more CS than the other. I think it's due to their movements.
God, I wonder who that could be.
The opponent's none the wiser.
Well, I think he might know now.
Don't think
Nah.
you know what you're doing.
Oh.
Ooh.
Puts him in range of my tower half the time.
I mean, I think the bookies expected Microwave to smash this one in 5 minutes, but this hasn't happened.
Maybe in 45 minutes.
One Dota game later.
Yeah, it's like one of our normals. What was the previous record for duration?
I think it was 11.
11 minutes.
I think so.
Well, we've smashed that.
Oh, maybe we're gonna see some. Nope, they're missing. Oh, we've seen progress.
First tower damage in 15 minutes.
Sick.
Oh. The perimeter's being established. Canister.
We're this again.
You locked Emily up somewhere? Daisy seems to think so.
I did. Hey.
Free my people.
I think that Steven did.
I'm mesmerized. Oh, I think we lost ground again.
Back to stalemate.
Retreat. CS deficit's 40.
And yet the goal is remarkably similar.
2. Oh.
Oh shit, he got it too.
No, 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 no.
I think this one's gonna come down to mental toughness.
I think it's gonna come down to when I have to leave to go play pool.
I did not expect this to take half an hour.
We've got a big
What
talent
the fuck did
disparity
you think
now.
was gonna happen when you picked the band up there?
I figured what happened last
Like
time
you
was
were gonna put
happen.
wards and I was just gonna not? It was that?
I think that's
Was
what
that
he's
how you
had.
saw this playing out? Like I wasn't gonna figure out like, oh, I can just AFK.
Yeah, that was more how I thought it was gonna go.
Yeah,
But
nobody's
we've
really
got a,
pushing. Everyone's playing same, nobody's really pushing it.
We've got a 6
Oh
strat.
my god, I just realized what his plan is.
Oh,
I was just buying random items and you're like, oh, you went the same thing. And so I read it and I was like, oh, I bought a force staff. The plan is force staff them into your things.
what? That's a good idea.
Oh my god, wait, what?
That was not my plan.
Holy shit! Is this? Who is this guy?
I had a completely different plan.
I liked your original quick buy that you never went through with.
That would have been a really sick plan, but I think it would have ended poorly.
I think he just wanted the hurricane pike, but that's my 2 cents.
Oh, there's definitely enough time to farm it.
This is gonna be the grimiest one Microw's ever got, because like I am gonna have to forfeit due to time.
This is game 1 of 3.
Yeah, I'd
Yeah, I'm
post on
forfeiting
other
the whole
games.
thing. If I forfeit due to time on this, I'm not playing him again.
I don't think there's another one that could go this way.
Yeah, I mean, at least Venno's out the pool after this one.
It doesn't matter. I'm not playing you again. If this goes to time and I have to forfeit to leave to go play pool, like I'm not playing you again.
Don't worry, it's not going to time.
You sure?
Let someone finish it.
I mean, we could just save match 2 or 3, whatever it ends up being until you come back.
No, I'm not going to play him again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, it's okay. You can come back, buddy. We still want you here.
No, I'm
You're
good.
welcome.
I think I'm good. I think
Yeah,
I'm
you'll be
over
good
it.
when you come back. I get it. That's a good
Definitely-
idea.
I think I'm definitely over it.
Yeah, over the pool. I understand.
Yeah, I'd probably bail on pool to make sure I could beat Chris. Because this man's never going to let you live it down.
Okay.
Imagine you get disrespected and then you just leave.
Does he have an arcane rune again, or does he now actually just cast them faster than me?
He bought the Octarine core that I said earlier, which
He was
lowers
supposed to
cooldown.
tell anybody. Oh my god.
Is this really what's going to make the difference?
I think both of them have potential to kill. Neither one of them want to do it, though. Very annoying.
Microwave, tell me what the fuck the hotkey for the shop is.
It should be F1 or F4 by default. I don't use the default hotkey, so I don't know.
I think fucking expensive.
F4.
Yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I do lose, because I don't know how to get Octarine core.
If you open up the
secret
shop
shop.
at the top, you can type search. And then you can type in OCT. It'll come up.
Oh no! Oh no!
That's so fucking dumb. He TP'd out.
First
Oh my god, it's working.
I thought he was dead.
I thought you were gonna Atos him and stop it.
I don't know how to do that. I guess I could have force staffed him.
No, your Atos route that you bought.
So you got a similar item that would have like basically stunned and brooted him.
I didn't know that. I don't know what any of the items do. I just buy random stuff.
Yeah, random
that's-
stuff's pretty sick.
Best way to learns versus free microwave. Maybe not this game.
useless game, you got plenty of time to read the description.
Yeah, I mean,
Do Radiant want their middle tower to fall?
Is he dumb? Why doesn't he just
Radiant's
win?
middle tower is under attack.
Yeah, there you go. Why don't you attack the
Do
back?
Radiant want their middle tower to fall?
I
There
just
you
had
go.
to make sure.
I was dead. You could see my death timer.
Oh, were you still dead?
Yeah, I haven't
Oh my
spawned.
yeah, I think the game had gone on that long that death timers were quite big.
Alright, the long haul Veno victory.
All is planned.
Alright, we can get the you get the revenge now.
Go
So,
play Lena.
what
Play
side do you
Lena.
want, Chris?
Oh, shit. Alright, I take the Radiant side.
How's the hard drive wall?
I've got about 40 gigs left, I'm good.
Oh my god.
Alright, hop in spectator and get the next
Hold
one
up,
going.
don't start yet. I'll be right back.
Alright. Alright, look, quick flash interview. How are feelings after that game? Free microwave?
You know, my opponent held up much better to the Veno ward strat than I thought he would. But you know, we were prepared for that. We had the backup plan just in case with the Octarine core. You know, just minimize that cooldown, eventually get the ward advantage and push through. So you know, shout out to my opponent BeetleCrisp here. Really did a great job countering it. But at the end of the day, he didn't know his shot button, so he couldn't get an Octarine core.
Yeah, I mean, Octarine was the difference, finally.
It was a pretty sick move. I think I might have been able to farm neutrals. I believe there's a neutral that has a cooldown reduction. That might have been able to get that started a little earlier, although I don't know what tier neutral that is, so. And
It's
also,
tier
you know, it
3
might
and
not-
tier 4, so they weren't there yet.
Okay. Yeah, I had that in mind as well. I was like, dang, my opponent farming neutrals. I figured he might be ahead in CS a little bit, but it was working out. We just had to long haul it. Probably should have bought Octarine core before eggs. Could have ended a little sooner, but you know, keep that in mind for future games.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording.
I know you're a coward and all, but if this goes to game
Whoa!
3, we should let Sosa pick the character.
Oh, that could be kind of sicko mode, actually.
I mean, it's outside the rules set, but if both agree, we can do whatever.
I agree. Mike was scared though.
No, I agree. You can't
Yeah,
call me a
some
clown.
trash talking.
Lena.
Let's see how the trash talk holds up in this game.
I feel like Sosa's gonna pick a hilarious character. Alright, you choose Lena? Well, I'm gonna counter pick you then.
Told you we were playing Lena.
And I'm gonna choose Lena.
Lena.
You feeling scared, Beetle?
Yeah.
You know, I was thinking about it. Lena's just basically like Vigar, but she floats around.
No.
Prepare to battle! Seconds to battle. Where'd that horn come from?
No.
Block is harder on the Dire.
Oh, I just missed.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, he's a Q farmer, League of Legends style.
Predicting this game being a bit more fiery than last one.
Good one.
Things are heating up.
Yeah, it was a bit too toxic last game. Oh, the fairy fight was used.
Don't burn your fingers.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
Pretty rude. A little trick Bill taught me. I call it freezing the wave.
Denied.
We had a man with high elastics, but also a man with higher denies.
Oops.
Oops.
Relax, relax. No need for that here.
No, you don't.
Oh no, it's gonna be an exchange.
I'm dead.
This is the very definition of first blood.
First blood. This one's gonna be a scorcher. Nuh-uh.
Ooh, a long range deny.
Oh my god. I keep canceling my auto.
Oh, the classic auto cancel technique.
Key point in the game for both.
Ow.
You have to ask. Might be in trouble.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
We have our first elimination.
That's all she wrote.
Alright, well, GG's Beetle.
No.
I mean, the first one. Yeah. That was a little cheesy.
Yeah, it's the dumbest shit I've ever seen. It's okay though, because you're gonna have to pay me money soon, so it's fine.
No. I'm the sickest League player of all time.
That's
Beetle,
why
don't you
you're
worry.
bronze 4, about to be an iron.
No. I've been grinding. I'm actually already Diamond 4.
Yeah, no, I definitely saw that you haven't played a single game since Bill yelled at you.
Bill did yell at me. Oh, is he gone?
Yeah, you go.
Oh, I don't think he's happy about the L.
Did you catch all that one?
Oh, I did. I'm still recording.
Oh, well. Good games to my competitor, BeetleCrisp. You know, I had a great time. And,
Yeah,
I
off
hope
the
our
record.
bet goes well.
Can I ask an off-interview question real quick?
Go for it.
Do you think this win signifies a win for all Uber drivers against furries now?
I would say that, you know, furries are probably tip baiters. We've seen how they treat convention centers, and I'm sure they treat Uber drivers the same way. So,
Yeah.
you know, shout out to all Uber drivers, and may your tips be 25% plus and never baited.